Hi guys, CKL here. It's a gorgeous day out there today. I'm going to do something a bit different today. I'm filming with the GoPro session right now. I'm going to take my car out for a spin today, get it washed, so off we go. So guys, the car wash, as you'd expect, such a nice day out there today. It is completely packed, this car wash. So what I'm doing is I'm just waiting here in line. Just waiting in line, ready for my go, get my baby washed, and we'll see what the car looks like afterwards. So, just got back, let's see how the car is. So yeah, that's really nice. I'm really happy with the outcome and nice and clean, all ready for a big day tomorrow. I won't spoil it for you guys, it'll be on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. I appreciate all the support from you guys and I'll see you very soon.